You're at lunch or at the family dinner and everyone's talking about ChatGPT. Your daughter used it for something, your neighbor swears by it, and you're just kind of sitting there nodding along because honestly, you have no idea what it even is or where you'd start. And maybe you've thought quietly, I'd love to try that. But then you picture sitting down at the computer and you don't even know where the box is or what you'd even type first. So your hands just kind of freeze. And it feels a little embarrassing, like everybody got a manual except you. I want you to let that feeling go today because it's not your fault and it's so much simpler than it looks. By the end of this video, you'll have actually used ChatGPT once, for real. 3 little clicks is all it takes. That's the whole thing. Stick with me and we'll do it together. Quick hello if you're new here. I'm Brandon and this is Finally Get AI, where we make this stuff make sense in plain English. No jargon, no dumb questions ever. Okay, let's get into it. And to make this even easier, I made you a free 1-page guide called Your First 5 Minutes with ChatGPT. It's plain English, it's printable, and it has the exact steps plus 3 safe first things to say. The link below will email it right to you for free. So grab that, keep it by the computer, and let's get started. Okay, first let me tell you what ChatGPT even is, in plain words, because the name makes it sound honestly way fancier than it actually is. So ChatGPT is basically just a website where you type a question and it types an answer back. That's it, from a super high level. Think of it like texting with a really patient helper who happens to be very good with words. You ask, it then answers, and you just can keep the conversation going as long as you'd like. It never gets annoyed and there are no dumb questions. Now here's the part I really want you to hear. Using it for the first time is only 3 steps. Go to the site, type a sentence, hit send. Let's do each one real quick. Step 1, go to the site. Open the program you use to look at websites. That's your web browser, the same thing you use to check the news or even look something up. Up at the top, there's a bar where you type a web address. You're going to type this, chatgpt.com. So chatgpt.com. Then press the enter key. And boom, there it is. You're on it. Now, it might ask you to sign in or make an account. Don't let that stop you. You can use your email, or if you've got a Gmail, there's also a button that says continue with Google. And it does it right for you. And here's the important part. The free version is all you need. You really don't have to pay for a single thing today. If you ever see a button asking you to upgrade or pay, just skip right past it. Now, step 2, type a sentence. Look near the bottom of the screen. There's that long empty box, and it usually says something faint inside it, like ask anything or message. That's where you type. That's the box you were looking for. So click inside there. And here's the thing that trips most people up. You don't need any special words. Let me repeat that. You do not need any special words. You don't need a secret code. You just talk to it like a person. So for your very first message, type something easy. Try something like this. Hi, I'm brand new to this. Can you explain what you can actually help me with in plain English? That's a perfect first message. You're literally asking it to introduce itself. Step 3, hit send. When you're done typing, just press the enter key on your keyboard, or there's a little arrow button right at the end of the box that you can click. Either one works. And then watch what happens. In a couple of seconds, it starts typing back to you, right there on the screen. A real friendly answer written just for you. That's it. That's the whole thing. You just used ChatGPT. See? 3 steps. Go to the site, type a sentence, and hit send. Now, once it answers you, here's the fun part. You can just keep talking to it. You reply the same way you'd reply to a friend. If the answer's too long, you just type make it shorter. If you don't follow it, you type I don't understand. Can you say it simpler? If you want more ideas, you type give me 3 more. It'll happily try again every single time. And guess what? It never thinks less of you for asking. One small habit before we wrap up, just so you feel safe. Don't type private things into the chat, like your passwords, your full account numbers, or your home address. You never need to. And it's a really good habit to start with from day 1. And that's really all there is. The first message is the only hard part. And now it isn't hard anymore. So let's bring it home. ChatGPT is just a website where you type a question and it types back, like texting a patient helper. And starting is only 3 steps. 1, go to the site, type chatgpt.com and press enter. 2, type a sentence in that long box at the bottom. Talk to it like a person or a close friend. And 3, hit send and read what it says back to you. That's it. You don't have to be techie. You don't have to understand how it works. You just have to type 1 sentence and press send. And you already know how to do that. So here's my little nudge for you. Go do it today. Just open it once and send 1 message, anything at all. The first try is the win, and I think you're going to be surprised how friendly it actually feels. And grab that free guide if you haven't yet. Your first 5 minutes with ChatGPT. The link below will email it right to you with the exact steps and 3 safe first sentences to send. It's a handy little thing to keep right by the computer. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. Come tell me what your very first message was. I'd genuinely love to hear it. I'll see you in the next one.